somewhere.
What are you doing, Lila?
Taking a picture?
Look at this laptop.
Lila,
So thin.
what are you doing?
Light.
Right.
You taking a picture of you taking a picture of you taking a picture?
Wow.
What do you do?
Is that a good picture?
That's a good picture.
Yeah.
That's smile, smile. Put hand on mommy. And say cheese.
Trick or treat.
Yeah.
I blinked.
You do great pictures, Lila. That's pretty good. Good job.
What, are you going to take a picture of your popo now?
Ooh, take a picture of your Popo cooking supper.
All right. Let's go, guys. Guys, put hand up and see to me. Hi.
Hi, sweetie. How are you doing?
I get pictures.
Are you taking pictures?
I'm taking pictures.
Good girl. You're being excellent.
Now, take the picture. It was so much fun.
You taking a picture of yourself now?
Put the gonna turn on the. Turn it on first, don't you?
Now, let's say cheese. Take the cheese. Say cheese.
Cheese, my sneeze. Have I got my nostril? Yes. Popo's nostrils. Is it a funny one?
Done. Now, we're done now.
Are we all done?
No, guys. Let's take a picture of food.
Can you take a picture of me?
Take a picture of you too. Thank you.
That didn't work.
Oh, the press.
Thank you.
Good.